Hey, Miss Potts.
If you find this recording,
Don't feel bad about this.
I know I said no more surprises, but I gotta say I was really hoping to pull off one last one. When I drift off, it'll be like every night lately. I dream about you.
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
Let's kill him properly this time.
This is the fight of our lives.
It's not about how much we lost. It's about how much we have left. We're the Avengers. We're gonna finish this. We're gonna need some help.
Avengers!